What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to turn chicken and rice into pancakes and eggs. Alright, right now with the quarantine going on, sticking to a same diet plan and being in the house all day is a little crazy, even for myself. I am doing it, but I'm doing it a little bit more in a flexible routine because I don't really have any shows or any definite goals. I mean, I have goals, but I don't have anything set up in the near future. So I'm a little bit flexible with the diet, and I want to show you guys how to do the same thing. Alright, so main thing I have is 8 ounces of chicken and 1.5 cups of rice is what I'm supposed to be having post-workout today. I'm going to show you how I feel like having pancakes and eggs. So I'm going to show you how I get it equivalent to the pancakes and eggs here, okay? One thing you're going to need, a scale to weigh all our food and stuff. We're going to get to that later. But I'm not going to weigh the chicken and rice. I'm going to show you on the app. I did this a little earlier. I want you to download either MyFitnessPal. I use Fat Secret here. It's going to be an app on your phone here. And I want to show you exactly kind of what I did. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, I have 8 ounces of chicken here, grilled chicken. You'll see that. It's 4 ounces times 2. And those are the macros for that. 52 grams of protein, 0 carbs, 3 grams of fat. You'll notice cooked rice. I did 1.5 cups here. I'm assuming they cooked it with a little bit of butter or oil. That's why it has the fat, because it usually doesn't. But usually carbs and a little bit of protein you will get in there also. So those are the macros for what I'm supposed to be having under this breakfast category for the 8 ounces of chicken and 1.5 cups of rice. For lunch here, which I made the Kodiak cakes, as you'll notice, the calories are roughly very similar, about 30 off. And if you go here, you'll notice looking at the fat column, the fat for breakfast, which was the chicken and rice, is very similar to the fat, which is my lunch, which is the Kodiak cakes now. You'll see the proteins are 3 grams off in protein. On carbs, actually, I'm shorting myself a little carbs, and I'm giving myself a little bit more protein with this, okay? So you'll see these two meals are very similar, and that's what I want you to take from this. You'll scroll down here. I'm not adding. I'm going to scroll down, show you guys how much Kodiak cakes I'm having. I'm going to have 1 full cup of Kodiak cakes and 9 egg whites. All right, so that's the equivalent here. They are similar food groups. They are protein and carbs, but that's what I'm going for. It's not going to be way drastic. We get a little sugar-free syrup with it, but like I said, we're still staying focused on our goals. I'm not going to get frickin' Domino's pizza as much as I'd like. So here, yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys with the app exactly how those macros equate to each other. And the beautiful thing is you can do this with other foods. It takes time, it takes experience, but you can learn this with other foods. Once you start categorizing foods in the macronutrient category that they are, like grilled chicken is a lean protein source. This is a protein source for me, all right? Rice, carbohydrate sources. I could look at these foods and say the same thing. Eggs, protein source for me. I could look at these Kodiak cakes. They are made with a little bit of protein, so there's a protein and a carb source, and that's why it works well. That's why it's doable, all right? I'm sure there are other ways, maybe some banana pancakes with some protein scoops in there. You can find a way to do that. But I just want to get you guys to start thinking, especially with the quarantine and everything that's going on now, is that it doesn't have to be the same crap all the time, especially when you're not 2 weeks out from a show, or if you don't even plan on doing a show ever, it doesn't have to be that hard. This is not rocket science. This is consistency. This is a slight education, educating yourself on it, learning, and not being afraid of carbs and not being afraid of these things. All right, this is what I want this video to hopefully help you guys with. If you guys like it, it's a short video, but hopefully it makes sense. And if you guys like it, you want to see more, options, how I could create different things with, chicken or rice and make it into something else very similar macro-wise, let me know. Comment on the video, and I'll add it in here. I'm just trying to help out, especially with the quarantine, all this going on, trying to help you guys out as best I can, all right? Hopefully this is cool. I'm going to go make these pancakes and eggs now and enjoy myself. If you guys like, subscribe to the channel, and check out our social links also. We appreciate all the support and all the love.